Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So as you can see, this is my room. This is Nurulum. Welcome back to my English channel, English Habit. So today's topic is very important because every beginner learner uh, that is face. Okay, so that's why I record my video. So let's go our topic. Actually today's topic name how I think English. Okay, so every beginner learner first time cannot thinking like me. Okay, so that's why actually first time uh, um, how to learn English. Okay, I don't know, but everyday practice, everyday searching, found YouTube, Facebook, and successful people everyday uh, discuss. So that's why day by day my English improvement journey improve. Okay, only just 1 month ago I cannot speak, I cannot learn, I cannot something, but right now I cannot something. Okay, so don't worry if you are a beginner learner, you just daily practice listening, reading, writing. Okay, so let's go our main topic. Actually first time uh, I when I start my journey, so then first time I thinking in Bengali, right? Because I am from Bangladesh, so that's why our educational system, our country system, our all everything system mother tongue, right? Means Bengali. So that's why first time always I thinking Bengali. Okay, but every day I practice, every day I practice. So that's why one day I thinking visualization power. It is a very powerful visualization, right? You go to uh, market. Okay, and here buy fish or meat and vegetables. Okay, and he go to uh, um, and he go to with by rickshaw or cycle, right? Anything. So and he go to with your friend or your brother, like anyone. Okay, so there you just after video make. Okay, video make before you just thinking uh, that you just thinking all everything reminder, visualize your eyes off. Okay, and just visualization first time first time some money uh, okay, and you go you waiting like rickshaw or bus, anything, anything. Okay, and then you go market, and here some shopkeeper. Okay, and here one side meat shop, and one side vegetable shop, all everything you just thinking. Okay, I hope you understand me. Actually I want to you, right? Okay, first time just you visualize, first time you just visualize. Okay, what happened, and after that you make video. Okay, so it is a very powerful. First time you just visual Okay, just you thinking uh, English. Okay, and your eyes closed and you thinking. Okay, I hope you learned something this video. So thank you so much watching this video. Next so soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.